Today, the Rastafarian drums, and this type of drumming came over from Africa to Jamaica with the slaves and some of the original people in the island before, in Jamaica. The Taino, yes, but there was other people in Jamaica as well before slavery. Yeah, the Spaniards, yeah. The Africans, alright. So, yeah, Africans are here a long time. So,
I'm sorry they captured the Africans as slaves.
yes, you know the history. So, this type of drum now was developed by the Rastafarians. And, yeah, this is, hold on, don't do it. So, tell me one more time, what is the name of this drum? What is the name of this drum? Kete drum. Say Kete drum. We want you to remember, you know, everybody. Remember, this is a Kete drum. Alright? And that is the bass drum. Yeah? And that's how we play. You ready to start now? We're going to play 1, 2. You ready? Come here. Come over. Come over. Come here. You'll sit on it. You ready to play 1, 2 now? Come now. 1. Keep playing, don't stop. 1, 2. Oh yeah. Alright, that is a Congo. Yeah. That is a Congo. Also from Africa too. 1, 2. Yeah. 1, 2. 1, 2. Alright. Alright, so anybody else want to try now? Alright, everybody have to go. You know what me want you do now, alright? Don't stop, play the 1, 2, right? And then everybody come in and take a try.
Yes. Yeah, some of the girls are gonna come.
Alright, go on. Organize it.
Come here. Wait for her. You're gonna get to try.
Go on, show them.
Girls, come. Now don't throw that at bed. Hurry up, come. Come.
Alright, I tell you what. Alright, we're gonna try different people. Girls time now, girls time. So go and go do, little more than we'll get another judge. You have the beat, you know, you have the right. Some people find it hard and some
I
people
know.
have it naturally.
Yeah.
Put up. Yeah, you just stick it out.
Alright.
Alright, so you want to do the same beat or you want to try something?
Let's talk about basic first.
Alright, so you want to do the beat then? Alright, so this beat when you're playing now, this comes from the African little Jamaica, yeah? They call this beat Guru, yeah?
Alright, now listen, now I'll follow.
So, alright, so follow me now, everybody.
Turn the camera.
No, you play something. You lose your beat, man. Come on. And you are the head drummer, so you have to keep it. Alright, watch it now. Alright, go. Don't stop. Keep playing. Naya Bingi. Naya Bingi. Naya Bingi. One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. One love, one heart. Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Feel alright. Whoa, 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 whoa. One love, one heart. Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Let's get together and feel alright. One love, hear the children singing. Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Let's get together and feel alright. One love, let's get together and feel alright. Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Alright, so who never get a child? Who else wants a child? Alright, you come, you don't come. Alright, you come.
No, don't go back up there. Boy, don't go back up there. Go after them finish. After them finish. Oh, that's the drum.
You didn't want to play that? Alright. Alright. Go back.
They always want to play it.
You need a little practice,
Yeah,
so you want to
yeah.
sit down and
No, when
take
they
your
finish,
time.
when they
Like you're
finish.
having. Now look, alright, this is the basic. This is watch me first before we start. Right?
Don't knock anything.
One, yeah. One. Yeah. come in now. Come in.
Come, Philip. Come, Philip. Go over there, son. Go over there. No, go sit down.
You go right there, son.
You go sit down. Where's Philip? You don't like that one? Over there, trying to.
Are you ready? After what we do.
Come. Girl, come. Come here.
Wait, this is the one sing a song. You know them right one song?
I'll be in time. I'll drum in time.
After you let me hear it, you can see
Do the
it.
drum. Do the drum. Jeremy, come. One drum there. Come. Make him go to the bathroom.
Could you have a singing now?
Where am I going to go? Come here, Kevin.
Sing for us, sing.
Where you going?
Come here, jump, sing, tell us, sing. So, we have a sing, you could be louder, can you jump so low? Alright, wait. You have to play in time, wait. Listen to me. Listen. Yes. them have their song they want to sing, you know.
Oh, Lord.
Alright, so